the first day of the rest of your life. People change and time moves, yet they stay the same. Don't look for the world to change. The change must come from within you. This is the best day, the best day of your life. Just give life a little chance, a chance to